Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down how to start making games, even if you've never coded before. The gaming industry is booming, new tech, millions of players, and tons of opportunities. The best part, even a solo dev can make a hit and turn a hobby into a job. One in, let's get started. In game dev, it's not just big studios that win. Simple games like Flappy Bird or Cookie Clicker can blow up. That means you've got a shot, even as a beginner. Don't jump into massive projects yet, start small. Step 1. Come up with a game idea, but keep it basic, no crazy 3D worlds or RPGs. Pick one mechanic, a jump or a button. Go for an easy genre, platformer, clicker or puzzle, Tetris, Geometry Dash, Plants vs Zombies, all started simple. The easier the idea, the more tutorials you'll find and the faster you'll finish. Step 2. Choose an engine. I recommend Unity. It's free, user-friendly and loaded with tutorials. Unity games are lightweight and can go on browsers or phones. Unreal's good but trickier to start with. Download Unity and play around, it's your best buddy for now. Step 3. Graphics. Stick to 2D, not 3D, it's easier. Pixel art is perfect, a cube with eyes already looks cool, and you don't need drawing skills. Use Sprite, Photoshop or online editors. One 3D? Try Blender, but it's tougher and needs a strong PC. Step 4. Coding. Unity runs on C#. Don't panic, you can Google how to make a jump in Unity, or better yet, check my channel, I post Unity guides and tips every day, or spend a week learning C# basics and Unity's interface. That second path rocks, you'll actually get what's going on. Step 5. Make your game. One mechanic. Simple graphics. A couple minutes of playtime. Upload it to itch.io. They love small projects and you can make a browser version. Get feedback and feel like a real dev. Don't give up. Your first game will be basic, and that's okay, it's a start. Keep going, share your projects in the comments. Ask questions, I've got your back. Hit like, subscribe, and see you next time.